Hi there, my name's Peter. I'm one of the lecturers at the Games and Digital Media Department in Bromsgrove campus. I'm going to tell you a little bit about our courses that we offer both here and at our Worcester campus. So first of all, I'd like to tell you about our Level 2 course. It's the Certificate in Creative Digital Media Production, and it covers the whole of creative digital media, so it isn't specific to one particular discipline. So we do things like games, website, graphic design, 2D animation, video editing. At the same time, we're also learning about the media industries. So how do we communicate with people in the industry? How do we pitch a product? And also understanding some of the more theoretical side as well. Okay, next we move on to our Level 3 qualification. It's an extended diploma in creative digital media production brackets games. So we do learn about the media industry as a whole, but then focusing on games when we're looking at our practical skills. At the same time, we're doing a game production on a games course. We use Unreal Engine 4, which is really exciting, and we get some very interesting dynamic games with lots of action going on. And a film unit, which people find quite surprising on a games course, but we do need to know how to make films. You think about games, how many of them have cutscenes in them, and we want to tell a story and make it engaging. In year 2, we do a 2D game using an engine called Construct 3. We do 3D modelling, 3D animation and 3D environments. There's a lot of 3D, lots of practical and concept art and game engine scripting. So there's a lot of practical skills, a lot of the creative side of games. It's not a programming course, it's more learning to be a creative in the industry. And typically, students will then go on to a degree, either a degree in a game-specific subject. We've also had people go on into interactive media, animation, and also to stay with the college to do our foundation degree. If you were to ask me what makes this college unique, why you'd want to study here, the first thing I'd say is that we have the experience. We're one of the first colleges to offer a games course as an area of study, where other colleges didn't even realise that it was a pathway. So we've had that experience. We've adapted, we've updated our course content and the actual software, the disciplines that we teach to keep up to date with the games industry. The staff, most of our staff are former students who've wanted to come back, they've wanted to get involved. So they've had the student experience, they now want to share that with other students. And for me, the biggest one is the pathway. We've got a pathway all the way from Level 2, all the way through to HE. And we have students who started on Level 2, get their full degree, and go on to progress from there.
Hi everybody, I'm just going to give you a brief overview of the courses we're offering in the computing department. We start with Level 2, it's a one-year course and it covers a broad range of subjects. The overarching theme is systems development. So we're looking at the whole systems life cycle. So whether you're doing a website, a database, a spreadsheet, a program, a network, we follow the similar patterns. So we go through the understanding the theory behind the subjects, then we move into the design phase, then development phase, and then testing. Once you've completed the Level 3, there's potential for you to progress up into the Level 4s and 5s. So with Level 4, we call it the High National Certificate, the HNC. We take advantage of a lot of the facilities we've got within the college, within the department. So we have the network engineering side of things, we have a server room. So we spend a lot of time in there playing with the Cisco routers and switches. And on the other side of the room, we've got a virtualization setup as well. So we've got lots of servers and switches to play with. It's fantastic. On the software side of things, software development, we've got labs specifically kitted out for virtual reality and games development and things like that. So there's fantastic resources we've got within in the department.
If you've got any questions, feel free to join us. We're having an open event with a Q&A session. So feel free to join in. You have an opportunity there to ask questions and get responses to specific questions. Thank you for joining us. I hope to get to see some of you in person in the near future.